Hey friends, we just rode the Disney Wish and we're going to show you the Toy Story Splash Zone. The Toy Story Splash Zone is located at the mid part of the ship on Deck 12. When you walk out from the Deck 12 elevator area, you can get right to the Splash Zone. There's only one Splash Zone on the ship and it's limited to kids age 6 and under. As you can see, the Splash Zone is themed on Toy Story. So you've got all of your classic Toy Story characters, from Woody to Buzz to the aliens and Emperor Zurg. Each of the characters spit out water, and then there's a couple of slides too. So on the left here, you can see it's Woody themed. You've got your Western feel with the slide, you've got his horse, and there's that pink bunny. And then when we go back over to the other side, it's much more of a Buzz Lightyear space themed. So let's go ahead and walk back over there. Right next to the Kids Splash Zone is Wheezy's Freezies. That's where you can get some beverages. All right, let's go see. So we're walking over to the right here. We're getting past the Western Zone and heading into the space theme with Buzz Lightyear, Emperor Zurg, and the aliens. And on the right side over here, you'll see that there's a rocket ship slide. And as we get past the Splash Zone, you'll see that there's actually a water slide located right next to it. This water slide is called the Slidosaurus Rex. And it's about a 20 to 30 minute wait when you try and go down it. And then directly behind us is also a small little pool that I guess you could argue is also a splash pad. Oh, there's Rex. And here's that little pool right next to the splash pad. And then we'll just walk up to the deck here on deck 13 so we can get a bigger look of the splash pad. We'll get one more look up here. And thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.